Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove all links from a PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is particularly useful when you're preparing documents for print or when you want to create a cleaner version without any clickable elements. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open Adobe Acrobat Pro on your computer and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the Pro version, as this feature isn't available in the standard Reader version. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to access all the advanced editing tools we need for this task. Next, navigate to your Recent Files section. This is typically displayed on the home screen when you first open Adobe Acrobat Pro. From your Recent Files, select the PDF document that contains the links you want to remove. If the file isn't in your recent list, you can always click on Open and browse to find it on your computer. Once your document is open, look towards the upper left corner of the screen and click on Edit. This will activate the editing mode and give you access to various tools needed to modify your PDF. The Edit option is essential as it unlocks the functionality required to manage links within your document. After clicking Edit, direct your attention to the left panel where you'll see several editing options. In this panel, click on More. This expands additional editing tools that aren't immediately visible in the main toolbar. From the expanded menu, click on Link. This specific tool is designed to help you manage all hyperlinks and web links present in your PDF document. Now you'll see the option to remove web links. Go ahead and click on Remove Web Links. This feature is specifically designed to strip out all clickable URLs and hyperlinks from your document in one go. It's much faster than manually deleting each link individually, especially if you're working with lengthy documents. A confirmation dialog box will pop up asking you to confirm this action. This is Adobe's way of making sure you don't accidentally remove links you might want to keep. Click Yes to proceed with removing the links. Remember, this action can typically be undone if needed, but it's always good practice to keep a backup of your original file. Finally, you'll see another dialog with selection options. Click the circle beside All to ensure that every single link in the document is targeted for removal. Once you've selected all, click OK to execute the action. Adobe Acrobat Pro will now process your document and remove all the links, and this should only take a moment depending on the size of your file. And there you have it, you've successfully removed all links from your PDF document, creating a cleaner version that's perfect for printing or distribution. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.